steel, concrete, wood. From the moment these materials are exposed to the harsh realities of the world, the clock begins ticking on their life expectancy. Your valuable products and facilities, manufactured from these materials, begin to corrode and destruct. And the harsher the environment, the more aggressive the destruction. The answer to this costly problem is the application of industrial maintenance coatings that safeguard your valuable investment by dramatically slowing down and even eliminating these harmful and costly effects. Polyval Coatings is a leading manufacturer of high-performance industrial coatings in Canada. Polyval was established in 1983. Today, Polyval boasts a catalog of 800 different products. Polyval distributes and markets these products worldwide. Polyval is both the effective and economical solution to all your anti-corrosion, anti-abrasion, and waterproofing needs. Manufactured from Polyval's own resin, 450,000 liters of maintenance coatings are produced each year under intensive quality control procedures at Polyval's top-class North American manufacturing facility. Innovation is the key to Polyval's vast range of superior products and ever-widening range of applications. And thus, research and development continues to be the crucial component of the Polyval success story. Excellent service is also critical, and Polyval's in-house chemists provide extensive support for all Polyval products. Polyval's state-of-the-art coatings consistently provide superior protection and have received government and industry certification from around the world. As an organization, we have always been environmentally conscious. Polyval products meet or exceed industry VOC standards, and we are committed to the use of environmentally friendly materials and processes throughout our company. Polyval, tomorrow's technology today. Polyval's full line of high-performance industrial coatings include Polyflex polyurea sprayable membranes and Moisture Cure or MC polyurethane coatings. Polyflex is a machine-sprayable, high-performance elastometric membrane. It can be applied over a variety of different substrates, concrete, metals, wood, and many more, in a wide range of temperatures and humidity environments. Polyflex products are commonly used for long-lasting anti-corrosion protection of steel, concrete, wood, and other materials, long-term waterproofing of concrete and metal construction, aggressive chemical and environmental protection, superior abrasion resistance, structural enhancement, long-lasting gloss and color retention. The Accelerated Weathering Tester, also known as the QUV, uses a UV lamp to simulate the harsh rays of the sun and extremes of heat and humidity. This procedure tests the durability of the coating regarding color and gloss over time. Here we see a sample panel that contains unexposed versus exposed, showing no color loss. The Polyflex system is a fast set application, which returns an area to service much faster than any other traditional coatings in the industry. This allows the facility to be back in service quickly, thus reducing downtime and loss of revenue. A few seconds after treatment, this delicate surface survives a load of gravel. Advantages of machinery-applied Polyflex. In this chemical test, Polyflex comes up against the power of sulfuric acid and survives. Applications for Polyflex polyurea products include petroleum reservoirs and fuel storage tanks, tank lining and line striping, oil, gas, and water pipes, power generation facilities, transportation, mining, and machinery, water and wastewater channels and dams, swimming pools, industrial floors, railroad bridges, waterproofing of tunnels, foundation and roof waterproofing, potable water reservoirs. An impact test reveals how Polyflex is able to retain its structural integrity versus the inferior non-Polyflex coating that clearly shows cracking. Polyflex's eco-friendly characteristics include no solvent emission during or after application, no heavy metal content, creates an effective barrier against industrial pollutants. Because no sandblasting is required, a reduction of air contamination during surface preparation. Polyflex can also be successfully applied directly to minimally prepared surfaces that already show high corrosion. Here are a sample of some of the coating systems available from Polyval. Polyflex 301 Multi-Duty. Here is an example of a corrosion test involving salt spray that accelerates the corrosion effects of a pipe test substrate, as per the ASTM standard testing method. Here we see, via the acceleration test, the equivalent of many years of corrosion. Polyflex 304 Ultra Chem. Here, the Polyflex coating is run through the abrasor machine. A precision scale reads the weight before and after the abrasion to determine any loss. The results show that after 500 revolutions of the abrasor, there is a negligible loss of less than 0.1%. Polyflex PW Aqua Pure. Here we see how, within moments of drying, the Polyflex coating successfully waterproofs this cardboard box. Another elongation test involves bending the substrate, then inspecting for cracks. Again, the Polyflex coating produces superior results. In addition to the machine-applied version, Polyflex is also available in a manually applied version. Its advantages include similar performance to machine-applied Polyflex, low cost of application, high-skill application not required, complements machine-applied Polyflex, good for maintenance and repair, allows application where machinery-applied Polyflex cannot be installed, allows coating of complex shapes, more surface tolerant, less surface prep needed, fast drying and curing times, lower cost than machine application per square meter. Polyflex 53 Aqua Guard Plus. Polyflex 55. Polyure 102 DTM, direct to metal. Moisture Cure, or MC, urethane coatings. Advantages of Moisture Cure coatings include single component, reacts with atmospheric moisture, very low VOC, excellent corrosion resistance, could be applied at temperatures below 0 degrees centigrade, no dew point restriction, can be applied at relative humidity of 99%, easily field applied. Primary moisture cure applications include bridges, concrete floors and foundations, seaport facilities, high voltage pillars, pulp and paper industries, boat and ship decks, railroad cars, petroleum reservoirs, offshore oil platforms, offshore metal construction including wind turbines. On this rusted surface with residue from old coatings, a 1K MC or moisture cure primer is applied, followed by a 1K MC intermediate coating, then finished with a 1K top coat. At Polyval, we work with a clear mission to place all our skills and experience at your disposal, ensuring that each selected product works for you. Whatever your project, we offer the best solutions. Through constantly innovative product development, we have steadily expanded our product lines, becoming a leading provider of light and heavy-duty maintenance coatings. We worked hard to earn a reputation as a company comprised of knowledgeable and experienced staff members, working in unison to bring you tomorrow's technology today. Polyval's manufacturing capacity, coupled with its extensive research and development program and knowledgeable technical team, make it the choice for your high-performance industrial maintenance coating requirements. Polyval truly is the answer to extending the life expectancy of your facilities and safeguarding your valuable investment.